Honda X ADV Best Motorcycle Review Liquid-Cooled ADV Parallel Twin. The Honda X ADV scooter has been a surprise success. Since its launch in 2017, over 7,500 have been sold throughout Europe. Its funky look, practicality and fuel economy have made it a popular choice for all types of riders looking for a do-anything mode of transport that's a little bit different. Billed as an adventure scooter, Honda claim the X ADV has off-road credentials, but with small wheels, 17 inches front and 15 inches rear, minimal ground clearance and huge weight, its off-road abilities are seriously limited. Whereas does excel is its ability to tackle any type of road riding without fuss, while offering good fuel economy and decent weather protection. Honda X ADV Updates for 2018. The X ADV has undergone changes for 2018 largely centered around electronics and rider aids. The latest model features Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, which is Honda's torque/traction control. There are two settings to choose from, with default level 2 designed for road use, and with level 1 designed for off-road use and allows the rear wheel to spin more. You can also easily switch the torque/traction control off completely. The 2018 version's engine has also been given a 900 RPM boost, with the redline now at 7,500 RPM, meaning there are more revs to play with in each gear. There is also a G-Gravel button designed for off-road riding that gives additional engine braking, especially useful when going downhill off-road. It is the same system used on the Honda Africa Twin DCT models. Ride quality and brakes. Despite the weighing 238 kilograms, the scooter handles well with neutral, balanced handling characteristics, making light work of fast cornering. In fact, the X ADV was incredibly easy to ride through the tight and twisty mountain roads of Sardinia. Just sit back, get comfy, and the X ADV will go where you want it to. At no point do you have to wrestle it or put all your weight through a footboard to get it to turn. The tall stance of the X ADV also meant there were no ground clearance issues, so you can really hustle through the corners. The suspension copes well with all but the harshest of bumps, and the brakes are strong and progressive. Engine. The X ADV is based on Honda's Integra, using the same 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine also found in the NC series. As a result, the X ADV produces 53 brake horsepower and uses Honda's dual clutch transmission (DCT) system. There are two modes, Drive and Sport. Drive offers smooth, predictable power, while Sport mode sharpens the throttle response and holds gears longer before changing up. On top of these two modes, you can also select gears manually using two buttons on the left handlebar. You can do this with the bike in automatic or manual mode, although in manual mode I found myself constantly hitting the rev limiter due to the X ADV's short rev range. It felt much more natural to keep the bike in automatic mode and prod the gear change buttons whenever I felt necessary. The engine doesn't blow you away, but it offers brisk acceleration and is fun to fire out of corners. Reliability and build quality. Honda has a legendary reputation for reliability, and the NC range of engines are incredibly understressed, so we can't imagine there'll be any reliability issues with the X ADV. We've got two Honda X ADV owners' reviews on the site, with an overall score of 4.5 stars out of 5. There aren't any negative comments to refer to, though. Value versus rivals. There's no getting away from the fact that the Honda X ADV is an expensive piece of kit, but it's no more expensive than the maxi scooter competition, and it's got an extra layer of fun compared to most of them. At 9,599 pounds when launched, it was firmly in the territory of proper adventure bikes such as the BMW F800 GS and Suzuki V-Strom 1000, although in reality Honda's X ADV is a very different proposition to any adventure bike. With claimed economy of over 75 miles per gallon, it's certainly frugal despite offering good performance. With its 13-liter fuel tank, it has a theoretical range of well over 200 miles. The 2018 models come in 5 different colors: matte bullet silver, matte pearl glare white, Grand Prix red, candy chromosphere red and digital silver metallic. These all cost £9,959. Equipment. ABS is standard, but there's no traction control on the X ADV. The screen is adjustable, although tricky to operate on the move. You can just about fit a full-face helmet under the seat, and the handguards will be a welcome addition in winter, plus they look cool. The huge dash is easy to read and provides plenty of information. Changes for 2018 include two-stage traction control, which is easily adjusted via a simple switch and can be turned off. It works well.